Gonna make myself some steak and chips. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, a couple of sirloins, homemade chips. Feeling good. Lovely stuff. Just parboiling some potatoes there, peeled them, got them in some water, a bit of salt. Just gonna parboil them and drain them off for some big fat chips. Fantastic. Yeah, drained those potatoes off, beautiful. Couple of inches of oil, I'm using a sunflower oil. Gonna get that nice and hot, get those potatoes in. Can't wait for this. Nice hot oil. See how that's doing. Oh, beautiful. In they go. Really looking forward to these beautiful big fat chips. Or fries, as you Americans call them. Oh, man. Oh, yeah. Yeah, so we got those chips frying there. A couple of lovely, beautiful sirloins. Really nice. Kept them out of the fridge for about 10 minutes, you know, room temperature, 10 or 15 minutes. Bit of salt. Hit that with some black pepper. Oh, yeah. Little bit of olive oil. Gonna rub that in, do the same on the other side. Rub it with a bit of garlic maybe in a minute. I don't know, maybe or maybe not. Oh yes, look at those beauties. Lovely, lovely, look at that. Right, let's get those out. Get them out, get them on a plate, get the steak ready. Yep. Nice and hot, smoking. In we go, baby. Oh, yeah. Oh. Oh, lovely, lovely. Look at that. Perfect. So I'm going to get them out. That's kind of just where I like them. Get them out. I'm going to let them rest for a few minutes. Oh yes, what a special treat. Lovely, look at those lovely chips there. Right. Football's on later. Sit down, eat that, watch the football. Life is good. Oh yes, beautiful steak, just as I like it. Absolutely wonderful. Some lovely chips and...
Thank you, Daddy.
Lots of love.